Hey everyone, so today we're going to learn the 50 state capitals of each state. So we're going to do cool phrases and fun drawings to remember each of those capitals. So let's begin. So first we have Augusta, Maine. Think of it as it's a Maine place to go in August. So let's draw a sun and an umbrella in the state of Maine. Next we have the city of Concord, New Hampshire. So let's draw an lowercase h surrounded by grapes. And think of it as an upside down batch of Concord grapes. Next we have the capital of Boston, Massachusetts. So you see that little peninsula jutting out of that state under New Hampshire? So think of it as bossy, massive muscles for Boston, Massachusetts. So let's draw a hand flexing. And let's draw a lowercase I right under Massachusetts, representing the state of Rhode Island's many small islands. And think of the phrase, the tiny island can provide for itself, because the capital of the state is Providence. And then let's draw a little heart in the state of Connecticut, whose capital is Hartford, and think of the phrase, the country has its heart connected to Connecticut. Then let's draw a mountain in the state above it, representing the state of Vermont and its capital, Montpelier. Then next to it, write L and NY, showing that L is banned from New York. So then draw an arrow sign above the L. And let's draw a crooked J in the state below New York, saying that Trench, Jersey, meaning that J fell in a trench for Trenton, New Jersey. Then let's draw a pencil with hair on it, showing Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Let's draw a little dove in that small state, representing Dover, Delaware. Think that doves don't wear clothes. And let's draw a sloppy M in that skinny state, showing it's Anna's Maryland, or Annapolis, Maryland. Then let's draw little speckles of gold in the state of Virginia and its capital Richmond, because Virginia is a rich state. Then let's draw a little boy in the state right next to Virginia, because Charles lives in the west of Virginia, or Charleston, West Virginia. Then in the two states down under, draw a C in their borders and the C holding a flag, saying carolers are holding a Columbian rally for Raleigh, North Carolina and Columbia, South Carolina. For Atlanta, Georgia, think the Atlantic Ocean borders Georgia, and then draw a palm tree representing a beach. And for the state next to it, draw an alarm clock, saying Monty wakes up in the AM for Montgomery, Alabama. Then draw MJ in the state next to Alabama, showing Michael Jackson is in Mississippi, for Jackson, Mississippi. And those three states we just drew need a floor, and that floor has tall beams, so that's Tallahassee, Florida. Let's draw a little bat in that state that's shaped like an L, saying there are bats in Louisiana, or Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Then let's go north and think Columbus explores Ohio, for Columbus, Ohio. And let's draw binoculars whose lenses look like O's, for Ohio. And in the state to the west, let's draw a shoe, saying people like to polish shoes in Indiana, or Indianapolis, Indiana. Then let's draw a spring in a tree, showing the spring bounces in the field, for Springfield, Illinois. And let's say Frank builds a strong fort and draw a fort in the state of Kentucky, for Frankfort, Kentucky. The state under Kentucky, which looks like a stage, draw a stage, and say, Messi watched a concert on a stage in the Music City, and the music city is Nashville, so the capital is Nashville, Tennessee. Then in the state of Wisconsin, whose western border looks like a mad face, draw one and say, "My mad cousin lives in Wisconsin," or Madison, Wisconsin. Then let's draw a wad of cash and say, "I owe a lot of money to Des Moines," or Des Moines, Iowa. Then let's draw a guy crying in the eastern part of this state, saying, "Jeff is in misery," or Jefferson City, Missouri. Then let's say there's a small arch on a little rock, and let's draw one for Little Rock, Arkansas. Then let's draw a soda can with a cross on it saying, "St. Paul drinks a soda," or St. Paul, Minnesota. Then in that Midwestern state with the peninsula, let's draw a guy singing, saying, "Land sings in Michigan," for Lansing, Michigan. Then let's draw a tie saying, "Mark is a businessman in Dakota," for Bismarck, North Dakota. Then let's draw two eyes looking up, saying, "Nosy Dakota is peering," or Pierre, South Dakota. Then let's draw a crying girl in the corner, or say, "Cheyenne is crying in the corner," or Cheyenne, Wyoming. Then let's draw Lincoln's face in Nebraska, saying, "There's a statue of Lincoln made of brass," or Lincoln, Nebraska. Then let's say Lincoln's toe is peeking out of a can, and draw that for Topeka, Kansas. Then let's say an oak tree's home is in the city, and draw an oak tree and a home surrounded by buildings for Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And let's draw a sign going two ways saying, "It was so big I was lost in Texas," or Austin, Texas. Then let's say Santa has to pay a fee to sell new products in Mexico, and then draw a dollar sign with a Santa hat for Santa Fe, New Mexico. And for Denver, Colorado, let's say you have to hide in the den to get out of the cold, and draw a C with a hole in it. And let's draw a mountain that leans and say, "This is Mr. Mountain and he leans," for Helena, Montana. Then let's draw a hoe and say, "The boys see the hoe," for Boise, Idaho. Let's say the phoenix rises and draw an A on a phoenix for Phoenix, Arizona. Then let's draw a U with water in it saying, "It's so salty, you can float," for Salt Lake City, Utah. For Carson City, Nevada, let's say the beach said, "Get your cars and never come back," and draw a sad car leaving the beach. Then let's think, "Where has Ori gone? He's sailing to Alaska," and draw a sailboat and a guy saying bye for Salem, Oregon. Then let's draw a washing machine and say, "The athlete is washing a ton of clothes for the Olympics," or Olympia, Washington. Then let's say California has a sacred tomato, and draw a tomato with lights around it for Sacramento, California. Then for Honolulu, Hawaii, let's say there's a lot of honey in Honolulu, and draw honey in Hawaii with a bee next to it. Then let's finally say, "Do you know that Alaska is the last state?" And then draw a question mark with a 50 for Juneau, Alaska. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you later.